Now, if you've been involved in crypto recently, you would have seen that the crypto prices have yet again started to pump towards the upside, offering us a tantalizing look into 2023 with a lot of really good opportunities for investment. But we've seen the AI part of this absolutely exploding, and in this video we're going to take a look at 3 of my favorite AI projects. Obviously nothing I say is financial advice. Do your own research before investing any money. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. So Fetch.AI is infrastructure for smart autonomous services. With Fetch, you can build, deploy, and connect smart agents to automate Web3 systems and reinvest on business models. Now, obviously, there's tons of different systems out there that we're using all the time, and loads of big companies use various systems, but they're kind of inefficient. And the problem with these systems that they're using right now is they require to process huge amounts of data all the time. And this can be very, very difficult for humans to do because it's very, very labor intensive. But the coolest thing about AI is it has the ability to analyze massive data sets and be able to streamline outputs. So you can use Fetch.AI agents which can learn and act to undertake meaningful tasks in the real world. Play with agent technology today and discover how to reinvent the way that we live and work. Now let's think about this. If you are using apps such as Uber or different apps to order your food or whatever it is, all of that is run through a system that's processing all the time, all of the different orders, who's the closest driver, and all of these different things. And that can all be automated through an AI system. This is very cool because it reduces the amount of people who are required in a team, therefore bringing down costs for operations. That's good as well because it's going to bring the consumer price down as well. So what the system does is it's basically able to learn without interfering with anyone's personal information. So it takes all the data from someone about that person, but then it's made anonymous, and that data is then used to help and aid the Fetch network to learn. The reason I like Fetch is it's going to play a very big part in Web3 going forward, and it's already seen some good investment going around. Now the FET token basically drives the ecosystem, and this is where you have the opportunity to invest. And the FET token is a digital currency. The FET token is the primary medium of exchange within the Fetch.AI ecosystem. If you want to pay for services provided by Fetch.AI, you pay in FET, much like you use USD to buy services in the United States. And this is cool because it can all be done through a peer-to-peer trust system without the requirement of any middleman or anything like that. So this is very cool. You can also stake the FET in order to earn additional rewards, and you can also keep it all in a separate wallet, and you can download that Fetch wallet just by coming through Fetch.AI through the link down below in the description. Jumping over to Verasity then, which is a protocol and product layer blockchain built for the GameFi industry. This is very cool. GameFi is one of my favorite areas to invest in this crypto market because I think that GameFi is probably where we're going to see the most growth. And there's a big reason for that. People who are actively involved in gaming will always be looking for other opportunities to improve their gaming experience. Not only that, the play to earn gaming system is going to slot seamlessly into the existing gaming network. Gaming is going to be worth something like $67.4 billion by 2026, which is an enormous amount of growth. And there we can see Verasity slotting it in very nicely to the future. We're a blockchain company looking to create an entirely new experience in esports, ad tech, and digital rights management. Esports is also a huge part of the GameFi sector going forward, and esports has become enormous around the world, particularly in parts of Asia where we're seeing it pretty much replacing traditional sports in terms of revenue it creates. So there's 3 different things here. We've got Vera Esports, which accelerates the evolution of esports within the blockchain, Vera Wallet guaranteeing security and growth for your portfolio, as well as Vera Views, which is ad tech, which has a $160 billion problem with fraud, which is going to solve with Vera Views. That's basically ensuring that you're not getting like bots and things kind of coming in and out competing different companies by using their ad spend, where you can get bots to go and click on ads all the time to basically take out all the competition. And Vera Views is going to make sure that doesn't happen. You also guarantee that the views that are being seen are all unique as well, not fake views like you might see on some YouTube channels. The community for this platform is already very big, and having a passionate community in early stage projects particularly gives me some good confidence in this particular project's ability to succeed and making it a good investment in my opinion. Now coming across to Numerai.ai, the hardest data science tournament in the world, predicting the stock market. Now this is very interesting for me. Okay, I am a trader. I trade crypto, I trade Forex, and I've been doing this for a long time, but I've always, for a long time, thought that there was a great opportunity for an AI to do this better than me. The reason is because I obviously have the ability to analyze a market and I can look at what's going on, but I only have a limit on how much data I can analyze. I can only also trade within particular parts of the day. One, because I don't want to do it 24/7, or I can't physically do it 24/7. I also have emotions, so I'm affected when the price is moving up or down, when I'm in profit, when I'm in loss, and sometimes that can affect my decision making, whereas an AI can literally pull the trigger on a set of information rather than ever getting emotional. And I think that this is the future of trading, and there's a big battle out right now for who is going to be able to predict stock markets and things going forward. So you can see so far, Numerai has paid to data scientists $50 million and has basically started to create hedge fund quality data. Now, when you're looking at stocks and things like that, there's tons of different information for you to analyze. Obviously, you're looking at all the statistics, but you're also analyzing different sentiments in the market and different news that's coming out all the time, and that will have a big impact on the daily price movements of charts, and this is where the AI comes in. You can apply a machine learning to predict the stock market using these example scripts, and you can just clone these scripts to create various indicators and things like that. And the aim is for Numerai to build the world's largest hedge fund. And you can do that, guys, by just putting in your email here and clicking subscribe. Now, looking on the leaderboard, then you can see all of the different actors in here and how many tokens or NMR tokens they've been staking, and then the gains they've seen. So this one at the top has gained 850% in just a year staking their NMR tokens. Obviously, the NMR token is the utility token for the Numerai hedge fund. And if you want to get involved with Numerai, guys, all you got to do is go through the link down below in the description. You can come and read more about it. Sign up through the link up here, and then you can buy Numerai tokens and start staking them in as well to be able to earn massive gains throughout the years. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed, so make sure you do your research before investing any of the money. There's various different things going on, like leaderboards and tournaments, adding kind of a competitive edge to this, which is nice to see. If you look at the NMR token, is currently worth $18.41. So this here is obviously a fairly large amount that's been staked, but the gains have also been insane. So this person obviously very happy with their investment. So guys, I think AI is going to be a massive player in this year and into next year. And I think AI crypto is also on the rise. So find projects that are actually using AI that offer a very good use case for those tokens, and you could be onto a winner. Obviously, nothing I said is financial advice. Do your own research. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about crypto, AI, trading, NFTs, Web3, and so much more, then make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.